Today's video is the bunny bag sewing tutorial, perfect for your gifts on Christmas, birthdays, or Easter. First thing to do is to cut a pattern that should look like this. The size will depend on how big the gift is. In this tutorial, I would use a medium-sized pattern with the following measurements: 14 inches from top to bottom, the width of 7 inches, the ears width 4.5 inches. From here to here is 6.5 inches, and from here to here is 7.5 inches. And this could fit an item this size in one bag. So we cut the pattern and we trace it on the fabric. We cut 2 pieces for the lining and 2 pieces for the outer part of the bag. We then put them together with the right sides facing each other and the wrong sides on the outside part. We sew the edges on this part. After sewing, we line them up like this. Then we sew the bottom part. Fold the bottom part like this. Mark 2.5 inches and sew it. And we do the same on the lining. So after it's done, we reverse the lining and put it inside the outer part of the bag like this. we leave an opening and sew around the edges. This way we can reverse the bag. Now we reverse the bag by pulling the insides through the opening. We then iron the seams and sew around the edges. There are several ways you can tie the ears. You can gather the ears and put a ribbon around it, like this. Or you can tie it in a knot. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is an improved version of the old one that I made. I'll hope to see you again next time.